Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Detroit has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Monroe County and southeastern Michigan until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:59 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Mabee or near Monroe, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Carlton around 12:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Newport, Schofield, South Rockwood, Woodland Beach, Detroit Beach, and Rockwood. This includes the following highways: I-75 between mile markers 13 and 26. I-275 between mile markers 1 and 7. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county: Monroe, Michigan,